Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I have featured the J.A. Roby cook stove line. So J.A. Roby cook stoves are going to be the only EPA approved wood cook stoves at this time, and they're available with a variety of options. I have a lot of these options on display right now, so I want to take a moment to show them to you. Featured here is going to be the J.A. Roby Chief model, which is basically going to be the loaded luxury all-option cook stove in the J.A. Roby wood cook stove line. Located to the side is going to be the J.A. Roby Rigel. This is essentially just going to be a wood stove without the baking oven, but it is featured with a nice enameled cook plate as the top. With this, it actually has a lip on it and a grill directly on it, so you could cook directly on this cook plate if you wanted to. However, you can also keep it in a pan, which is going to be much cleaner. This model does also feature a warming oven, which is unique. Besides J.A. Roby, I'm not aware of any other EPA approved wood stoves that have this top warming oven option. So if you are cooking for a large family or want to keep the food warm until it's all ready to serve, this is a really nice option to have. So this is great for the kind of people that want to do maybe more stovetop cooking and aren't necessarily bakers. Over here is going to be the Marmiton by J.A. Roby. And this model is going to be kind of like the no frills cook stove. So no backsplash and warming oven, and all in the simple black design. The Marmiton is also available as the Alda model, which would be the same as the Chief, which is featured right beside me here. So this is the J.A. Roby EPA cook stove line. I hope that you found this video informational, educational, and helpful. If you guys like my videos, don't forget, give me a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.